guys, Bill here from Hot Tub University, and we get a lot of questions on cover lifters, what they are, how they work, and so on and so forth. So this is just a short video to show you what a cover lifter is and how it works. Okay, a cover lifter. Folks, this is a cover lifter. It simply sits on top of the hot tub. You can actually move it up and down. It mounts on the side of the hot tub like this, and it can actually mount down below as well, but typically you'll see them mounted on toward the top of the hot tub on the side, and it simply has a pivot point right here. So what you do is, when this is sitting on your hot tub, you simply open your cover, and you can see it folds directly over the cover lifter, and then with one hand you lift your cover up. Your cover is off the ground, it's hanging, so it can the water can drip off it, and it's nice and secure and actually gives you a little bit of privacy as well.